everybody. So in this video, we're going to write an equation that could represent the function with the given zeros. So here we have 3 zeros of some polynomial function. Now, one way we could initially write this is we could say that x equals -7, x equals -1, and x equals 3. Now, what they want us to do is they want us to write out what the polynomial function is. Now, this is backwards to what you're probably used to working with. You're used to being given some polynomial function, and then the question says, find all the zeros. Okay, well, now they give us the zeros, and they want us to work backwards. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take these zeros and go from a 0 to a linear factor. So this says x equals -7. Well, if I took this 7 and I brought it back over here with the x to make it a factor, I would need to change this sign. So what I'm going to write is x plus 7. There's a linear factor. So this one would be x plus 1, and this would be x minus 3. So these are the 3 linear factors that are going to produce these 3 zeros. Now, I want the polynomial function. So to get that, we're going to have to multiply all of this. So let's start here. I'm going to have to FOIL or distribute these 2 binomials. So x times x is going to give me x squared. X times 1 is going to give me x. 7 times x is going to give me 7x. And 7 times 1 is going to give me 7. So I've multiplied these 2, then I'll have to bring down my x minus 3. Now, before I multiply these together, I'm going to combine like terms. So here I have an x and a 7x. So this trinomial is going to be x plus 2 plus 8x plus 7. So we will take this and we'll multiply it by x minus 3. Now, here I need to multiply this trinomial times this binomial. So I have x squared times x. That's going to be x to the third. X squared times -3 is going to be -3x squared. Then I'll move to the next term. 8x times x is going to be 8x squared. So I'll put that under the 3. So here we have 8x squared. 8x times -3 is -24x. Then I have 7 times x, so I'll add that under the 24. And then 7 and -3 is -21. Now, one reason I like writing mine out like this is so that I can keep all of my exponents here lined up vertically. So it's visually, it's really nice because now when I combine all my x cubes, that's in this entire column. All my x squareds are in this column, all my x's, and then all my constants. So it's just a visual that helps me. So the polynomial that's going to have these zeros is going to be x to the third plus 5x squared minus 17x minus 21. So that's your polynomial function, and if I gave you this as a question and I said, let's find all the zeros, your 3 zeros would be -7, -1, and +3. All right, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and we'll see you all in the next video.